Happy New Year, everyone. 2023 is here. I'm so excited. So, I'm Tracy, and this is Cooking with Intention. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm gonna do some batch cooking, which to me, in my mind, that means I'm going to cook it once, but use it in different ways. Now, these roasts were on sale. Love it, because beef is so expensive these days. So I grabbed two. I'm gonna cook it once in the pressure cooker, and then I'm gonna use it separate ways. One with a potato and a vegetable, and the other an Italian dish. So I'm excited to show you those videos at a later time. This one I'm gonna show you is so easy, and it's if you have a pressure cooker and you haven't done a roast, you need to watch this video. You're gonna love it. It's gonna smell so amazing. First, what I do is I sear them. So I'm gonna season it. I love thyme with beef. It is amazing. So about a tablespoon of thyme and salt and pepper. I'm gonna season it really good. I'm gonna sear it, lock in all of those wonderful flavors and juices, put them both in my big pressure cooker. I'm gonna add a half a cup of red wine, a half a cup of beef stock, and of course, it looks like about a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of garlic, and then we're gonna let that go for an hour. And then I'll show you what we're gonna do next. So excited, this is gonna be so good. So there you have it. We have batch cooked 2 roasts. We did it once, we're using it twice. So yes, it's the same recipe within the pressure cooker, but you can use it in different ways. So the first one, it's amazing. I mean, it smells so good in here. I cannot even describe. But you can use it the traditional way, right? Roast potatoes, a vegetable, green beans, and that one will most likely be the one that I will freeze this week. So then when I'm running out of time or I have a really busy week, I can pull it out of the freezer and my family has got an amazing meal. So the other one though, I am going to shred it and use it in an Italian dish, which I can't wait to show you. It's gonna be so amazing. So I know we all hate those to be continued. Well, to be continued. Next week, I'm gonna show you how I use this roast in an amazing, tasty Italian dish. So that will be awesome. Please stay tuned. I hope you enjoy watching batch cooking and how easy it can be for you. You can look like a rock star if you had one of these in your freezer and you pull it out and serve it to your unexpected guests or middle of the week crazy busy weeks. You can do it and it'll be amazing. So I hope you enjoyed it. Happy New Year. Thank you for liking and subscribing and sharing my videos. I very much appreciate it. And until next time, please be well.